Good morning, students. Our today's topic is solving the quadratic equation by completing the square. To factor a perfect square trinomial, find the positive square root of each of the two perfect square trinomiology. Connect the two square roots with the sign of the numerical coefficient of the remaining term of the given trinomial. Indicate that this binomial is used twice as a factor. Let us solve it. A quadratic equation x square plus bx plus b by 2 whole square can be written as x plus b by 2 whole square. It is a perfect square, na? Completing the square. In an expression of the form x square plus bx or x square minus bx, add the constant term b by 2 whole square. Means the coefficient of x, we will take the coefficient of x and simply do the half of it, and then it's square. It will be more clear to you with this example. X square plus 14x. First of all, to complete the square, add the coefficient of x, that is 14. 14 by 2, half of it, that is 7, and its square 49. Now add this to this equation, means 49 to this equation. The equation will become x square plus 14x plus 49. Now x plus 14x plus 49 can be written as x plus 7 whole square. One more example. X square plus 24x is equal to 36. Here the coefficient of x is 24, half of it, that is 12, and the square of 12 is 144. So we will add 144 to both sides. X square plus 24x plus 144 is equal to 36 plus 144. As you know, x square plus 24x plus 144 can be written as x plus 12 whole square, and 36 plus 144 is 180. Now by doing square root on both sides, x plus 12 whole square will become x plus 12 and 180 plus minus root 180. Now by taking 12 to the right hand side, we get x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root 180. Now you know 180 can be written as 36 multiplied by 5, and 36 is the square root. 6 is the square root of 36. So x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root 6 root 5. There are two solutions in this example. One is minus 12 plus 6 root 5, and the other is minus 12 minus 6 root 5. Now understood the steps in solving quadratic equation by completing the square. First step is transpose all the terms containing the unknown to the left side of the equation and the constant term to the right side if necessary. Means the terms having variables, you will take the terms to the left side and the constant term to the right side. Divide each term of the equation by the numerical coefficient of x square. If there is any coefficient of x square, then you will divide the whole equation by that coefficient. This will change the equation to the form x square plus bx is equal to c, that we have seen in the last example. Third step, divide the coefficient of x by 2, square it, and then add the result to the both sides of the equation. Now factor the left side of the equation. This is a perfect square trinomial. Simplify the right side. Take the square root of the expression on both the sides of the equation and put the plus minus sign before the square root at the right side. Sixth step. Equate the square root on the left side expression to the positive square root on the right side in step 5. Now solve for the first root and then find the second root of the equation. Seventh step. Equate the square root of the left side expression to the negative square root of the right side in step and solve for the second root. It means you have plus minus 2 roots on the right side. So for the first root you will take the positive sign and for the second root you will take the negative sign. And the last step is check each root by substituting it to the original equation. You can check it by putting the values of these root in the equation. Now let us solve step by step with an example. 2x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Now first step is transpose the constant term of the give to the right side. So here is 1 as a constant. So we will take 1 to the right side and the equation will become 2x square plus 4x is equal to minus 1. Now make the coefficient of x square equal to 1. We want to make the coefficient of x square 1. So we will divide the coefficient of x square, that is 2. We will divide the whole equation by the coefficient of x square. It means we will divide it by 2. Then the equation will become x square plus 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Third step. Complete the square by adding the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides of the equation. You know the coefficient of x is 2. Half of it is 2 by 2, that is 1, and square of 1 is 1. So we will add 1 on both sides. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now the fourth step is factor the left side and perform the operation on the right side. X square plus 1 whole square. X square plus 2x plus 1 is the square of x plus 1. And solving minus 1 by 2 plus 1 we get 1 by 2. Step 5. Apply the square root principle. You will square root on both sides. X plus 1 is equal to plus minus root 1 by 2. Now by simplifying the radical, we get x plus 1 is equal to plus minus root 2 by 2. In this step, you will rationalize root 2 because we can't left root 2 at the denominator. In the seventh step, solve for the x by subtracting 1 from both sides. So we will take 1 on the right side. The equation will become x is equal to 1 plus minus root 2 by 2. So the solution of equation will be x is equal to minus 1 plus root 2 by 2, and after solving it we will get minus 2 plus root 2 by 2, and the second root will be minus 1 minus root 2 by 2 means minus 2 minus root 2 by 2. By doing this, by using this method, you can solve the quadratic equation easily. Thank you.